Okay. I have been selling TedHair for about 3 or 4 years. I can honestly say it's a very good hair brand. I never have any disappointments with anyone complaining about the hair. Anyone that's looking to get into the hair business, I would highly recommend them to look up TedHair and to do their research. I could honestly say that you're always going to find good sales with the bundles and the wigs, and also they have new wigs that come out, like the headband wigs that I did try one, and it's very good. I can honestly say that if you're looking to dye hair, or you're looking for a wig that's curly and you want it to get straight, you can always use their hair, because you can always take their curly hair and it can come straight. I never had a complaint from any of my customers saying that the hair wasn't good or that the lace was like ripping or anything. So I will always say, if you wanted to try them out, yes, and always try their sample sale first, because I tried their sample sale and the hair lasts you a long time. So I would highly recommend, if you were looking to get into the business, do TedHair.